Industrial ketchup production begins with large-scale mechanized tomato harvesting. Harvest scale defines ketchup production capacity. Mechanical harvesting replaces manual picking at industrial volume. Continuous flow sustains agricultural throughput. Bulk transfer accelerates field logistics. Volume supports industrial processing demand. Field operations connect directly to industrial food processing. Fresh tomatoes enter industrial transformation. Controlled unloading prevents fruit damage. Washing removes field contaminants. Clean surfaces protect processing equipment. Optical inspection standardizes raw input. Quality selection stabilizes flavor consistency. Buffer capacity balances line flow.
Controlled holding preserves freshness.
Continuous feed sustains processing rhythm. Size reduction initiates sauce formation. Pulping refines usable tomato material. Pulp purity defines ketchup base.
Heat stabilizes enzymes and color.
Water removal increases viscosity.
Concentration defines body. Blending prepares formulation. Ingredient balance defines ketchup flavor profile. Homogenization creates smooth ketchup texture. Texture reflects process control. Viscosity control ensures pour behavior. Data guides texture precision. Air removal improves shelf stability.
Visual smoothness confirms readiness.
Safety treatment protects shelf life.
Thermal accuracy remains critical. Flow balancing supports packaging rhythm. Level control prevents interruption. Container hygiene protects product integrity. Precision filling ensures consistent color density and visual appeal inside every ketchup bottle. Secure sealing protects flavor stability and prevents contamination during large-scale ketchup production.
Accurate date coding finalizes traceability and shelf readiness for tomato ketchup products.
Attractive packaging design emphasizes product quality and shelf presence.
Automated boxing and sealing secure ketchup products for efficient industrial distribution.
Wrapping stabilizes shipments. Balance tension prevents carton damage.
Storage preserves product quality.
Environmental control protects shelf life.
Storage scale reflects industrial output.
Central oversight integrates production stages. Data guides optimization. Equipment integrity sustains hygiene. Coordination defines ketchup manufacturing efficiency.
Visual uniformity signals control.
Ketchup production never pauses.
Human oversight sustains endurance. Finished goods move rapidly.
Documentation ensures traceability.
Distribution begins at scale. Transport protection preserves packaging.
Ketchup enters regional and global markets.
Industrial tomato processing reaches full scale. Consistency defines reliability. Integration replaces fragmentation. Industrial food systems deliver flavor at scale.
Inside the ketchup factory, where harvested tomatoes become bottled ketchup at